Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you have made it to 2023. So first off, congratulate yourself for that. Next, what are your goals for 2023? So personally, I can speak on the fact that I started my journey in becoming more competent in the AWS ecosystem. And to do that, I've started some training courses, and I'm using those courses as well as hands-on projects with work and outside of work to grow my confidence in the AWS infrastructure and platform. And ultimately, I would like to take the Solutions Architect Associate exam, the certification. So that's one of my huge goals for the year, is to not only do all the required reading and studying to be able to sit for that certification. I would also like to apply that theoretical knowledge to my day-to-day job. So now I'm kind of working in a hybrid space. So I'm working with .NET Stack, but with a lot of on-premises services and applications. And hopefully this year, my focus will be more on cloud native building and understanding everything there is to about AWS. So I challenge you to see what are your goals for the year. What is it that you want to learn? And if it's something along the lines of AWS, if you drop a comment below, maybe we can learn some stuff together. Obviously, I'm not an expert. Don't pretend to be one. So I'm just trying to learn and soak up as much as I can about the ecosystem, and basically what others have done along the way to get to where they're at in their career, as far as from an AWS standpoint. So with that being said,